Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm thrilled to share with you 5 amazing uses of one of nature's most versatile gift, aloe vera gel. You might know it as that soothing green gel, but trust me, it's so much more. Let's explore the magical world of aloe vera gel and how it can enhance your life. Number 1. Skin Soother. Aloe vera gel is a natural skin soother perfect for calming irritated or sunburned skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties helps to reduce redness and promote healing. Simply apply a generous amount of aloe vera gel to the affected area and the feel cooling relief take. Part 2. Moisturizer. Move over heavy creams. Aloe vera gel is a fantastic lightweight moisturizer that won't clog your pores. It locks in moisturize, leaving your skin feeling hydrated and soft. Say hello to natural, non-greasy. Number 3. Hair Conditioner. Yes, you heard that right. Aloe vera gel is a secret hair conditioner agent that nourishes your locks from root to tip. It can help to reduce dandruff, soothe an itchy scalp, and promote healthy hair growth. Mix aloe vera gel with your favorite hair oil or apply it directly to your scalp for the growth of your hair. Part 4. Makeup Primer. Who needs expensive makeup primer when you have aloe vera gel on your side? It creates a smooth base for your makeup, helping it last longer and blend flawlessly. Simply dab some aloe vera gel onto your clean moisturized face before applying your makeup for a natural and tabby finish. Part 5. Acne Fighter. Remember our previous video on acne? Well, aloe vera gel is a hero in that department too. Its antibacterial properties helps to combat causing bacteria, while its soothing nature reduces inflammation and redness. Apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to troubled spots and let the gel work. Conclusion. And there you have it, 5 fantastic uses of aloe vera gel that can transform your skincare and hair care routines. Nature truly has given us a gem with this versatile plant. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more beauty and wellness tips. Thanks for tuning in. Stay beautiful and be kind to yourself and the environment. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.